Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by wetting your hair and scalp with warm water so the Man Matters DHT blocker can penetrate. Once done, use fingertips to gently massage and dislodge oils. This allows the active ingredients to reach follicles. Pour 1-2 pumps into your palm depending on hair length and thickness. Apply to the scalp first, not just hair shafts, because the how matters. Targeting the scalp delivers DHT blocking actives where they need to work. Rinse hands and prepare for the next step. You now lather and actively treat the scalp. Once the shampoo is in place, massage using circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds so bioactive compounds interact with the skin. Longer contact increases efficacy. Make sure to concentrate on thinning areas like the temples, crown, and hairline because these are DHT-sensitive zones. Keep pressure moderate, no nails, so you stimulate blood flow without irritating skin. After massaging, let the lather sit for a short pause to enhance absorption before rinsing. You finish by rinsing thoroughly until water runs clear. Residue traps oils and reduces effectiveness. Make sure to towel dry gently and use the shampoo 2 to 3 times per week or follow product directions for a routine balance between treatment and scalp recovery. If you pair it with conditioners, apply conditioner to hair ends only, not the scalp. If you experience redness or persistent itching, pause use, lower frequency, and seek product guidance or medical advice as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.